Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm on Amazon. So, if you'd like to split your Amazon purchases into easy monthly payments, you can use Affirm as your financing option. Here's how you can set it up and use it. So first, browse Amazon as usual and add the item you want to purchase. For example, I'm choosing this Buds 3 Pro. Now, after selecting the product, you'll have to click on the Buy Now button. Now, it will take and instantly add that product to your cart. Now, it will instantly take you to this page where you can select your address and payment methods. On the payment method screen, you can look for Affirm under available options. Amazon often labels it as a monthly payment with Affirm. So select it, and if you don't see Affirm, choose monthly pay, then you will see the Affirm option. Select it, then continue to the next step. A pop-up or redirect will open. Sign in with your Affirm account on that page and create one if you're new. Affirm may run a quick eligibility check before showing you available plans. And Affirm will display installment options, usually ranging from 3 to 12 months. Each plan will show the monthly payment amount and any interest if applicable, so choose the one that fits your budget. Once you select a plan, Affirm approves the loan and links it back to Amazon. Confirm your order and your items will ship as normal while payments are scheduled in your Affirm account. And that's it. You've successfully used Affirm on Amazon. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.